Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Excel versus Yakult Brothers. We will explore two vastly different entities, one a robust software and the other a conceptual group. Understanding their unique purposes is key, as a direct better assessment is not truly applicable. We will delve into what each offers, highlighting their individual strengths and intended uses, rather than forcing a mismatched competition. Microsoft Excel is a cornerstone of data management, allowing users to organize, analyze, and visualize vast amounts of information. It can handle over 1 million rows and 16,000 columns of data. With more than 400 built-in functions, it empowers complex calculations and financial modeling, making it an indispensable tool for businesses and individuals worldwide. Now let's consider the Yakult Brothers. For the purpose of this discussion, they represent a conceptual entity, perhaps a musical group or a brand ambassador team. Their value would lie in areas like entertainment, fostering community, or promoting a product. They would engage audiences through performances, storytelling, or public appearances, offering a completely different kind of utility. Ultimately, determining which is better between Excel and the Yakult Brothers is not a meaningful comparison. Excel provides unparalleled analytical power for data, while the Yakult Brothers would offer cultural or entertainment value. Each serves a fundamentally different purpose, excelling in its own domain. Your choice depends entirely on whether you need robust data processing or engaging human interaction.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.